too many shapes in one sketch?
Output feature is your hidden power. Pick exactly what you need. Output feature in CATIA lets you take control of messy sketches. You can pick exactly the geometry you need, whether it's a line, a point, or a full profile. It separates the selected elements from the rest of the sketch. It works even when shapes overlap or intersect, so you don't get errors. Once extracted, each element appears separately in the tree, ready to use in your design. It's a simple trick that saves time and keeps your sketches clean and flexible. Let's complete this sketch up to the point where we can show how to use output feature. Alright, we have a messy sketch here. To use it in different features, we need to extract its elements and profiles separately. We can extract single elements like points, lines, or arcs individually by using output feature and profile feature is used to extract a profile from one or more sketch curves, whether connected or separate, open or closed. It automatically detects the entire profile, stopping at intersections or overlaps, and you can continue selecting manually if needed. Once we exit the sketcher and look at the design tree, we can see that under the Part branch there's our sketch, and inside it, a section called Outputs. That's where the extracted elements and profiles are stored, separate from the sketch geometry itself. Don't forget to like and subscribe.